Alright guys, I'm on an XR95 here. The initial call was no power, and I found the blower to be locked up, and as you can see here where the board was, you can see that big burnt spot on there. Well, I'll show y'all here with the other board. Okay guys, with this new board we got here, I'm going to have to replace the old igniter and replace it with this new 120 volt igniter. It's just the way it's designed now. Alright. Okay guys, we're back up and running with our new board here. I've got it in the cooling mode right now. It is hotter than heck in this house, and like super humid. But anyway guys, I went ahead and I got the little sticker on there just to show what kind of board this is now, and that we actually upgraded the igniter. I hate to do it to them, but I am going to fire the furnace off here in a minute. I'm going to get some coolant running for a minute, but I am going to fire the furnace off to make sure that we do have ignition on that. But yeah, I don't want to call back on that. All right guys, we got the AC up and running. We got the new board on with the new igniter. I know it's hotter than heck here, but I want to make sure their furnace is going to fire before I take off. That would be like a big time nuisance call to have to come back on. So let's go ahead and go hot here. Should be a little bit of a delay. Inducer motor should fire at any given moment. There it is, there's the inducer, real quiet. Now we should see the igniter. There it is, right there, our brand new igniter. Once that thing comes up to temp, we'll see the gas valve open. We'll see a bank of flames. And there's our bank of flames right there, guys. We are in the heating mode. I'm going to let the blower kick, and then we'll get her some AC going again. What it does, guys, is it gives the heat exchanger time enough to get warm before the blower kicks on. That way you don't have a rush of cold air in your home. And there's the blower. Alright guys, I'm not going to run her out of here. So. Alright guys, I appreciate y'all watching. Alright, thanks so much. Bye. Alright guys, I'm going to head up here and replace my rescue motor over here at the SWH. We'll hop on up in here and see what's going on. Alright guys, we just hopped into the SWH up here, and I got me another backup rescue motor here. Half through a 6, 115 volt, 1075 by 4 speed, 7.3 amps. And I went ahead and I got myself a 10 microfarad capacitor. That'll actually allow me to do 370 at half horsepower. And I picked up a 7.5 microfarad. That'll give me 370 at a third through a sixth. So what we're doing is that's the old Trane one I took off of. Took off that furnace we just worked on at XR95. But all right guys, it's really good to keep these in the truck. I'm here to tell you.